So I tried Rough Animator. For real? After using FlipaClip for a really long time, I finally decided to try Rough Animator. And I'm not even gonna lie, the first time I opened the app, I felt like I accidentally joined an animation company because why are there so many buttons? Like bro, I just wanna draw a stickman. But instead, I'm looking at timelines, layers, camera controls. I genuinely sat there for like 5 minutes pretending I understood what was happening. And the crazy part is, people online kept saying, Rough Animator is easy. Easy? For who? Professional Pixar employees? Because this did not feel easy at first. Now, don't get me wrong, the app itself isn't bad. Actually, it's kinda the opposite. The problem is that I was too used to FlipaClip. FlipaClip is super beginner friendly. You open it, you draw a frame, add another frame, and boom, you are animating. Everything feels simple, everything feels clean. It's basically the perfect app for beginners. But Rough Animator feels like the next level. The moment you open it, it immediately expects you to know what you are doing. And I absolutely did not. There were moments where I felt completely lost, like why did my frame suddenly disappear? Why is the camera zooming to another dimension? Why can't I get this up? But then something happened. After practicing for a little while, I made an animation that actually looked good, and that's when it clicked. I finally understood why people recommend this app so much, because the quality difference becomes noticeable. The movement looks smoother, the workflow becomes faster once you adapt, and overall your animations start feeling more professional, not instantly, but gradually. Now compare it to FlipaClip. I think the biggest difference is this. FlipaClip feels fun immediately, Rough Animator feels rewarding later. FlipaClip is the type of app where you can jump in instantly and start making animation. But Rough Animator is the type of app where you slowly improve over time and eventually realize, wait, this app can do way more than I thought. And honestly, that's probably why so many serious animators use it, because once you get past the confusing beginning, it becomes incredibly powerful. So is Rough Animator hard? At first, yeah, absolutely, especially if you're coming from FlipaClip, but impossible? Not even close. Honestly, I think Rough Animator is one of those apps that looks scary at first but becomes amazing once you stick with it. So if you are thinking about trying it, don't quit after the first 10 minutes like I almost did, because trust me, the beginning is the hardest part. And after that, you start realizing just how powerful the app really is.